Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to remove this piece right here. I don't know how it comes out, I didn't see it yet, but basically we're mainly pulling the Sync 3 navigation unit. So we're starting off from the top. You pop this cover off. It's just held on clips, plastic clips. Just try to use the plastic pry tool. Then there's going to be two 8mm bolts, one right here, one right here. We already pulled those out. So then you just pop this out, and you're gonna have to unplug the speaker. Let me show you. So that's the plug for the speaker. So it's gonna be clips in the front right here. So just lift it up right here with the popper or a clip popper or whatever. Just pop it off from the front. That'll be easy. They're two 7mm actually. I think I said 8. They're 7. So we have two 7mm screws right here. Make sure you take them out. So just find a good spot and pull on it. Our center console is out, but I don't think you're gonna need to remove it. We had it out before. Alright, so we made a mistake. We grabbed it on the lower piece. The lower piece is gonna stay behind. Make sure you grab this piece. So don't touch the lower one because it is screwed in. We just didn't notice that piece. So now just go ahead and plug the plugs. So this is I think it was a climate control panel, and there goes your CD player. This is your Sync 3 screen, and there's a navigation module behind it. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Seven millimeter bolts. There's 6 of them. Alright, so on this plug you press it on top center and it releases the gray plug. And it just slides out like that, and then you have these. And that's it, and this is the unit, Sync 3. And this is the wiring plugs.